Alright, I'm needing to get this damn muffler to stay on this slipped part. It's cranked down all the way on the bolt. My old man said they used to have to put shims in there, copper shims. So I just cut a piece of copper pipe. I might need to cut a bigger one, but that might do it. Maybe I'll do both these pieces. See if it works. There already is some kind of material in there. Oh, material in there that's supposed to be like a shim, but it looks all worn out or rusted out. So let's see. Put this over. Oh yeah, fits pretty damn good. Tighten the shit out of it like before. Make sure it stays this time. Oh yeah. Okay, that definitely worked. Nice. I just gotta find a piece of rubber or something. I think that's what I had before, a piece of rubber in here, so it's not slapping around. But it'll work like this for now. Cool. Oh yeah, sounds pretty good again. I gotta start taking care of this thing better.